Hello guys, how is it going? Welcome back to Math with James. Today we're going to have this problem with all these fractions added up together. If you really do it one by one, that will cost you a lot of time. So I'm going to show you a trick with which we're going to use geometry to solve our algebra. Okay, so we're going to use shapes to represent these numbers. First of all, let's draw a square with a side equals to 1. All right, so this is 1. We know that the area of a square is side times side. 1 times 1, that's 1. So the area of the square basically is 1. What about half of the area? It is 1 over 2, right? That's half of an area. So we're going to separate this square into half. And this part is pretty much 1 over 2. Okay, so that's this number already in the square. And then how do we get 1 over 4? That's like the half of the square. We're going to draw a line over here to separate the other half. And then this part is 1 over 4. Now we get 1 over 2 and 1 over 4. How do we get 1 over 8? We're going to use the other half and we're going to keep separating it. And then we get 1 over 8. So we're going to separate the rest into 2 halves. And then we get 1 over 16. So now we only have to do one more step to get 1 over 32. There you go. So let's separate. Let's use another color, by the way. Let's separate the other half into 2 halves. And then we get 1 over 32. So basically, when you add these 5 fractions together, you are adding these areas together, right? Does that make sense to you? But watch out, only not the last bit over here. So we have to take this bit out of this whole area of the square. Remember, the whole area of the square is just 1 times 1. That's 1. And then take the last bit out. The last bit is 1 over 32, which gives you 31 over 32. That's the final answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this problem. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.